Hey guys, Patricia here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day, another beauty talk. Another day, another Dior. I've got so excited when Dior launched their newly reformulated, the iconic Dior Forever Foundation. I've got both finishes, matte and glow. I wear tested this Skin Glow formula for 2 days in a row. And here's my thoughts, my wear test, and the application. I pick up shade 2N because this is the shade that matches me so well in Dior foundation. Yeah, it's always shade 2N. It's very close to my skin tone. I love shade 2N in Dior. And on Chanel, I am shade B20. So this is the Glow, Skin Glow. The packaging is glass. It comes with a pump. At the back, you'll see the shade and Forever Skin Glow. And in the front, says Dior. And here is the matte packaging looks like. Glossy. And this one is matte. So easy to know which one is glowy and which one is matte. Very nice Dior. I wear tested this Skin Glow 2 days in a row, you guys. So yeah, here my thoughts, my opinion, honest opinion about this foundation. Yeah, this is 30 ml, made in France, and it has a shelf life of 12 months. And in Japan, this retails 8,030 yen. This newly reformulated Skin Forever Foundation is packed with beauty ingredients. This formula combines the moisture of 3 major beauty ingredients: hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and peptide, with carefully selected oils that manipulate light. Its skincare cover technology drenches skin with radiance and enhances coverage, achieving unprecedented beauty. The creamy formula melts into skin, bringing out radiance. The texture doesn't feel heavy even with repeated application, and it can be used for a wide range of looks, from natural to high coverage. It is resistant to smudging for 24 hours. Impressive long-lasting results. And it has SPF 50 plus plus plus. Amazing details and claims. Let's jump into the application, wear test, and my thoughts. Hey guys! Second day wear test of this newly reformulated Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation. So yeah, I'm going out again today, doing some grocery shopping. So yeah, let's try this for the second time. Let's see if it is the same effect on the first day I tried. If I will not break out with this formulation, I will be so happy because the first wear test went so good. This will become my holy grail foundation if I won't break out. Because that is the problem in my skin. The case is when I use glowy foundation for 3 or 5 days in a row, I get pimples. So I hope this one not. So this is the foundation, one pump all over my face. Looks natural, not makeup-y. I hope this foundation, this formulation won't break me out because this is so good. I love this. And this might be my new holy grail. But too early to tell. I have to test this few more days in a row. So I will know if I won't break out. I love it. Not makeup-y. Looks natural. And easy to blend. I will finish my makeup look, then I will get back. I love this. This is divine. This is everything. Yes, not so glowy. That is what I want in a glowy foundation. I'm not into super glowy because I have oily T-zone. And this one is just the right amount of glow. So yeah, if you are looking for something glowy but not much, you gotta try this. You will love this. This is so good. For no retouch, I am a no retouch girly and this is the best. All day, my skin looks so good and naturally glowing. It didn't turn out cakey all day with no retouch. And it didn't, although it's glowy, it didn't emphasize my pores, my fine lines. And best thing is, I didn't break out. I have to try this more. Maybe 5 days in a row. Because some case in glowy foundation, if I use it few days in a row, I get pimples or breakout. I hope this one not. So yeah, my honest opinion about this foundation is this is divine. That's it. Period. Go run to Dior. Try this.